Hi everybody, it's Gavin Mountford here, co-founder of TSAmastery.com, and in this video I want to show you how to add or install one of the TSA logos or TSA banners on your blog. Now if you just take a quick look here, in the right sidebar I've added one of these banners to the site, and if somebody's on your blog, they're looking for a way to generate traffic to their blog, to their website, or have more comments, or just want to connect with other people within a community, then somebody searching through your blog will click on the link and they'll go through to the TSA Mastery free community and then become a friend with you and become a friend with other people. Now I think Dave has done a fantastic job with these banners, and there's 8 small banners and there's another 8 slightly larger banners. The sizes are 173 by 82 and 260 by 125. So they should fit on your blog, depending on which size your sidebar widget is and what color your blog theme is. There should be something to match here. So let me just go through, let me just explain how to actually install this widget on your blog. So first thing to do is click here to download the instruction document. So if you click on this link, it opens up another page that has the code that you need to put into your blog to add one of the banners to it. So just have a read through. The first part is the instructions for adding the smaller banners. The second part is instructions for adding the larger banners. Now here it says step 1, copy the HTML code from below. So the HTML code is the thing that displays the banner. Now I've created that for you so you don't have to do that part, because that's the complicated bit. So this part here, starting with this little bracket and then ahref, right to the end where it ends with this A and this bracket, if you copy the whole of that, make sure you get the end bits as well, because if you miss any part of this it won't work. And then right click and copy, or Control-C on your keypad, which copies as well. Come on straight over to your blog, and I'll just go over to the main part of my blog here. Come down. Now your theme's going to be slightly different to mine, so you may have things more than what's in my blog, or there may be less things. But if you come down, you should have appearance. So if you open up appearance, and you should have widgets. Click on widgets. Now a widget is something that displays in the sidebar of your blog, or in the different areas of your blog. Now this thing here is a widget that I've added. Then here's a widget. This is a widget. This is a widget. So I can drag and drop different widgets around my sidebar and blog to customize the way it looks. So inside your back office, when you've gone to widgets, you should see the different areas of your blog that are available to put a widget into. Now, as I said, I may have a lot more here than you do, because I probably use a slightly different theme to you. So in my right sidebar, I'm just going to open this up. Now I can see all the available widgets here that are being used. So what I want to do is I want to find, and if you have a look for the text widget here that should be in the middle, should be something that says text. And if you drag that text widget to where you want it to display, so I'm going to display it in my right sidebar, and I'm going to click in the little box and I'm going to paste the code that I copied from the instructions. This code here I now paste here, and you can add a title. You could add TSA Mastery Community, and again you may not have that option dependent on your theme. So TSA Mastery Community, and click on save. Okay, so now if we come back to my actual blog here and we look down, there's no banner here at the moment, but I've just added this widget to this sidebar. So if I click on refresh, it refreshes my blog, pops down, and there is the banner. Looks absolutely perfect. So if somebody comes over there reading my blog, they come and click on that link, takes them through to the TSA Mastery community. Now if you wanted to use a different color, what you'll need to do is you'll need to come back over to here. Let's just get back to the instructions. So step 2, open up your WordPress blog, go to appearance widget and drag the text widget into your sidebar, which we did a minute ago. Add the HTML code to the widget, and then save your widget, refresh your blog, and take a look to see how it looks. And again, that's what we just did. Now if you'd like to use one of the different colored banners displayed on the on the blog, just right click on the banner, select copy image URL or copy image location, and that will then give you a direct link to where the new banner is located. And then just replace the link, which is this part here. You replace this part with the link that you've just copied. So let me show you how to do that. So if you come back over to, let's say we wanted to put the green banner on our blog. So if you right click, dependent on which browser you're using, it will either be copy image URL or copy image location or something similar. So you copy that. So now in my clipboard I've copied the location of this banner. And then I go back over to my widgets. Remember I said you want to paste it into this part here. So it should be, you should see the HTML code, and then there's the little quotation mark there, and there's a quotation mark here. You want to keep those, don't delete them, whatever you do, otherwise it won't work. Right in the middle, you just right click, paste your new code, and there that's added the new location for the green banner or the green badge. Click on save. Before we had the blue logo here. Click refresh, and the green banner has appeared. Now if you wanted to do that with any of the large banners, again you'd right click, you'd copy your image URL, and you'd add it to that section. So dependent on the size of your blog, dependent on the size of your sidebar, if you see here we've actually got the large banner here because the sidebar here is wider than the sidebar here. So dependent on your blog, dependent on the size of the banner you'd like. If you have any questions whatsoever about this, please post a comment at the bottom of this blog post, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. So I look forward to seeing the banners on your blog. It's as I said, Dave's done a fantastic job with them. This is Gavin Mountford here from TSAmastery.com. I look forward to speaking to you soon. Bye bye.